Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with just a little small project share. I actually made it a little while ago, but I forgot to actually show it. So, excuse me, I was using my, this is AliExpress heart die topper die that I had. Okay. So I just decided to use some paper up that I had and just make a few toppers. Trying to build some of my stash, and actually made this a while ago, like a couple of months ago. I just haven't shown them, so I put everything away. But I know I use this Love Punch, this Hello, this Love, and I cannot find my butterfly punch. And I think, to be honest, I don't know if I gave it away because I'm not sure if it broke, because it's not with my punches, so I don't know. I don't know. But I use this paper, and I've had, excuse me, this is my Simple Stories, and so this is the other one in that same collection, and it is called the Reset Girl. And that one to make some toppers, but I also use this one as well, same collection, just to cut out, I first to cut out some of the items, so you can see that. So, and this is double-sided paper, so I use one side, and then I use the other. So these are, my lighting's trouble, it's nighttime. And I use a little heart punch. Actually, I think it's the wrong heart punch. I use a smaller one. But anyway, I use some metallic thread. First, to cut out the items, and it is add some bling. You see the word hello on it. So these are all the same, just different girls on that one. Then this one, I first cut out some of the elements, and again, just layered it. I think it's one more in that one. Let's see. Nope. Oh, it was 4. I thought I only did 3. Okay. 4 of that one, and 4 of that one. And then this is my butterfly punch, the layered one, which I like it because you can just fluff those layers up. Very simple, but just nice to have some little stash on hand. And again, I like the little butterflies, which I think my punch did. I don't know if it broke or jammed, and I remember putting it up somewhere, but now I don't remember where. And then I had 5 of these, and these were fussy cut out, and that's a punch there. And I also did use another punch in the background, so I got to pull out, which was, I believe the EK Success one or Martha Stewart. And then that one. Sorry, my computer. So anyway, that's just a little quick share, just building some of my stash. And that's what I created, was just those, all of those. And I have some more that I'm working on. I will show those as well. So, alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye.